Hey, thanks so much for joining me today. Why don't you get comfortable and I'll show you how to make a quick and easy banana pudding. First, we're going to begin by pouring 4 cups of cold milk into our mixing bowl. Now I'm going to pour 2 packs of French vanilla pudding in. We're going to blend that up on a slow speed and we'll go from there. I'm going to add just a little bit of our whipped topping to the pudding. We'll blend it in. All right, we're gonna set this to the side. I have my beautiful crystal bowl here. I've already lined the bottom of the bowl with vanilla wafer cookies. I'm going to line it with bananas, sliced bananas. Now I'm going to place some of the pudding on top. Let's layer again. Time for more pudding. Now let's add the whipped cream. I've put a few vanilla wafers in a plastic bag and we're going to mash them up. Now we're going to sprinkle it on top. And now we have our banana pudding, just like that. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it set for a couple of hours before my company comes. Let's take a taste test. Wow, that was amazing. I haven't made this in a while. I think my company will be pleased. What do you think? I would love to connect with you. Leave your comments down below. Let me know of other things, other types of videos you'd like to see me create. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I'd be delighted if you would. Have a great rest of your day, my friends, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. God bless. Bye.